गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। तो पेरेंट्स जिन्हें लगता है कि पढ़ाई की प्रोग्रेस इस साल रुक गई है,
Ghee, cheese, milk, butter and vegetable oil are rich in fats. See in the picture. Ghee, cheese, milk, nuts, creams and butter are fat-rich foods. One more thing, too much of fatty and oily things make us fat and obese. So, we should take fats in a limited amount. Next is vitamins. Vitamins keep our body fit, improves our appetite and increase the body's ability to fight against disease. There are many types of vitamins that our body needs, and they are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Next is minerals. Minerals help in the growth and development of the body. Both vitamins and minerals help in the formation of teeth, bones and blood. Some minerals like calcium, iron, potassium and iodine are needed in a small amount by various parts of our body. Table salt is a good source of iodine. Okay, fresh fruits and vegetables are good source of vitamins and minerals. You can see in the picture also there are lots of fruits and vegetables. Vitamins and minerals protect us from many diseases, and due to this reason they are also called protective foods. Next is roughages. Roughage is the fiber content in our food. It makes our digestion smooth and easy. Raw fruits and vegetables contain roughage. Next is water. You all know water is an essential component of our diet. Water helps in the proper digestion and growth of the body. Our body releases water in the form of sweat and urine. Water helps us to regulate our body temperature. It means it maintains our body temperature. Now see in the picture, you will see the food items that are rich in fiber and the vegetables that can be eaten raw as a salad. Like apple is rich in fiber, broccoli is also rich in fiber, and the fruits, tomatoes, they can be eaten as a raw. And most important thing, we must drink water at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every